Hey, Robin Dyanick here to teach you Beer Up, Party Down. The name of the song is Beer Up by Neon Union. These are the guys that did meet in Mexico. Super fun group. This is a cute beginner, all level-ish dance. I'm going to be teaching it to all my classes. I'd say maybe a little high beginner for some of you. 4 walls, 16 counts, clockwise rotation. Okay, and there is 1 tag. All right, you're going to start with your weight on your left foot. You're going to rock forward with the right, kind of a cross rock right and step. So it's 1 and 2. Little step back on that left foot when you do that. So 1 and 2. Then you're going to sweep back, left, right, left coaster. Back, back, forward. So the coaster is back on left, back on right, forward with the left. Then you're going to shuffle forward on your right. Shuffle forward, right, left, right. All right, so that was quick. Let's try it again. We're going to cross rock and step, back sweep, left coaster, step, shuffle forward. All right, so your weight ends up on the right foot. All right, let's try it again with counts. All right, so your weight's on the left. It's cross rock 1 and 2, back sweep 3, 4, left coaster 5 and 6, shuffle 7 and 8. Okay, so we're halfway through the dance. It's only 16 counts, so we're going to step forward on the left and make a quarter turn to our right, facing 3 o'clock, and cross the left over the right. And you're going to step side and sway right, left. All right, let's do that part again. All right, so step a quarter and cross, step sway right, left. And the count on that part is 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right, so from here, you're going to step down on the right foot again, 5, and then behind, out, over. Then you're going to side rock right, recover, and brush. That is the whole dance. You're going to just brush or scuff forward. Okay, so let's do that again. So step forward on the left, quarter turn, cross, step sway, step behind, out, over, side rock, recover, and scuff. Let's do it one more time with the counts. Ready? 1 and 2, sway 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and scuff 8. Okay, I'd like to just show it to you facing the front. Say we were finishing up at 9 o'clock. It would be a quarter turn, cross step, sway, behind, out, over, and side rock, brush. All right, with the counts, it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, wonderful. All right, so let's put it all together from the top. I'm going to move up a little bit here. So weights on the left, you're going to start with that cross rock. So rock and back sweep, coaster on the left, shuffle forward. Step a quarter turn, cross, sway, behind, out, over, side rock, and brush. All right, let's do it from the top with the counts. Ready? Rock 1 and 2, back 3, 4, coaster 5 and 6, shuffle 7 and 8, quarter 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and scuff 8. Wonderful. All right, so now you're at wall 2. Let's do wall 2. If you're not quite ready to do wall 2, just rewind and practice wall 1 again. It's better when you have the basic pattern down before you move on to other walls. All right, so cross rock, recover, back sweep, coaster step, shuffle forward, quarter and cross and sway, behind, out, over, side rock, and brush. All right, so now you should be facing the back wall or 6 o'clock. I'm going to do walls 3 and 4. All right, So when you're done with this wall, you should be facing 9 o'clock. All right, let's give it a try. Rock, recover, back sweep, sweep, coaster step, shuffle forward, quarter and cross, and sway, sway, behind, out, over, side rock and brush, cross, rock, recover, back sweep, sweep, coaster step, shuffle forward, quarter and cross, and sway, sway, and behind, out, over, side, rock, and brush. All right, so you notice when you do that brush, you go right into your cross rock. All right, so the tag happens on wall 10. All right, so the end of wall 10. So at least the tag is not in the middle of a pattern. So wall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I'm dizzy from all that. All right, so it's like the third time you get to 3 o'clock. You're going to do the whole pattern and end up facing the back. You're going to do your side rock and brush. You're going to cross your right over your left here and unwind 1, 2, and side rock 3, 4, and go right into the beginning of the dance again. So again, it's cross 1, turn 2, sway 3, 4, and cross rock, recover. I'm still working on this, so no worries about it. If you don't get a tag, it's no big deal. Just jump in. You can definitely hear the change in the music, and you'll know when it's supposed to start the pattern again. All right, so hopefully I don't mess it up in the demo. So try the demo with me. If you like my videos, please give them a like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate that. Hey, here's the demo. 5, 6, 7, rock, back, sweep, sweep, coaster, shuffle forward, quarter and cross, sway, sway, and behind, out, over, side, rock and brush, rock, back, sweep, coaster, shuffle forward, quarter and cross, sway, right, left, behind, out, over, and side, rock, brush, rock, back, sweep, coaster, shuffle, quarter and cross, sway, sway, behind, out, over, side, rock and brush, rock, back, sweep, coaster, shuffle, quarter and cross, sway, sway, behind, out, over, side, rock and brush. Quarter and cross, sway, sway, behind, out, over, side, rock, and brush, rock.